Exploring the wonders of African jungles. Welcome to the heart of the African jungles. These tropical forests are home to some of the most fascinating animals and have been integral to human history and survival. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing facts about African jungles, their incredible wildlife, and how humans have coexisted with nature in these ecosystems. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what we mean by jungle. In Africa, jungles are typically tropical rainforests filled with dense vegetation and a huge variety of wildlife. Did you know that Africa is home to the world's second-largest rainforest? The Congo Basin stretches across 6 countries, including the Democratic Republic of Congo, Gabon, and Cameroon. This jungle alone produces 8% of the world's oxygen. These rainforests are like the lungs of the planet, and they're critical for maintaining the global climate. But what makes African jungles so unique is the sheer diversity of life they support, from the tiniest insects to the largest land mammals. Now, let's talk about the stars of the jungle, the animals. African jungles are home to some of the most iconic species on Earth. Gorillas, especially the endangered mountain gorillas, are found in the jungles of Central Africa. They share 98% of their DNA with humans. Gorillas are incredibly intelligent, using tools like sticks to measure water depth and communicate with intricate vocalizations. Did you know African forest elephants are called ecosystem engineers? These gentle giants create pathways in the dense forest and help spread seeds by eating fruits and depositing them far away. Without elephants, many jungle plants wouldn't thrive. The African leopard is one of the most elusive predators in the jungle. With their incredible camouflage and silent movements, they can stalk prey without being detected. They even drag their meals up into trees to keep them safe from scavengers. The African jungles are alive with the sounds of hundreds of bird species, like the great blue turaco and African gray parrot. The gray parrot is famous for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Some even have vocabularies of over 100 words. African jungles aren't just home to animals. Humans have lived in and depended on these forests for thousands of years. Indigenous tribes like the Pygmy people have thrived in the Congo Basin for generations. Indigenous communities live in harmony with nature, using the forest resources sustainably. For example, they gather fruits, nuts, and honey without overharvesting. Their deep knowledge of the jungle's plants and animals is passed down through storytelling. Many life-saving medicines come from the African jungle. Did you know that the bark of the cinchona tree contains quinine, which is used to treat malaria? Scientists are constantly studying jungle plants for potential cures for diseases. But living in the jungle isn't easy. Communities face challenges like deforestation, climate change, and the loss of traditional ways of life. Despite this, many indigenous groups continue to fight for the preservation of their land and culture. African jungles are a perfect example of nature's balance. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a vital role. Insects like ants and termites are the unsung heroes of the jungle. They break down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil. This cycle keeps the jungle fertile and thriving. Monkeys and birds eat fruit and spread the seeds far and wide, helping new plants grow. It's like nature's teamwork at its best. Predators like leopards and snakes keep herbivore populations in check. Without them, the balance would be disrupted, leading to overgrazing and loss of vegetation. Unfortunately, African jungles face serious threats. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining is destroying habitats at an alarming rate. Every year, millions of hectares of jungle are lost, putting animals and humans at risk. But it's not all doom and gloom. Conservation efforts are making a difference. Organizations are working to protect endangered species, replant forests, and support indigenous communities. Ecotourism is also helping raise awareness and funds for conservation. You don't have to live in Africa to make a difference. Supporting ethical products, donating to conservation organizations, and spreading awareness can all help protect these vital ecosystems. Before we wrap up, here are some fun jungle facts you might not know. The African jungle is so dense in places that sunlight can take up to 10 minutes to reach the ground. Some trees in the jungle can grow over 200 feet tall. The Congo Basin is home to the okapi, an animal that looks like a mix between a zebra and a giraffe. African jungles are a treasure trove of life, mystery, and beauty. From the incredible animals to the rich human cultures, these forests are a reminder of nature's power and resilience. What's your favorite fact about the African jungle? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our planet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.